Today, we're gonna review the Makita Track Saw in these 5 categories. And stick around to the end, because I'm gonna show you how I made this track saw even better than it already is.
Welcome, this is Tom from Woodworking, and the first feature of this saw is this safety feature where you need to press the top button to release the pin for the plunge, and this also enables then the saw to be turned on. It is truly top notch with every aspect feeling robust, solidly built, and it is an absolute beast when it comes to power and performance. The track saw has consistently proven itself, slicing through the thickest stock and always impressing me with its performance. The Makita SP6000 track saw has a helpful depth gauge for adjusting the cutting depth easily. It has clear markings and is designed to be user-friendly, making it the perfect tool for any of your woodworking projects. Whether you are a beginner or experienced, the depth gauge ensures simple operation and precise cutting depth, and it helps prevent accidentally cutting into your table. The scoring function can be activated with a simple click of a button. This feature helps create clean and accurate cuts on delicate surfaces or when working with materials prone to splintering, enhancing the overall quality of your woodworking project. The bevel gauge is designed to cut various angles up to 47 degrees. Super easy to adjust. It allows you to make clean and accurate bevel cuts. It is important though to keep the saw in the track and engage the kickback feature when cutting at different angles to maintain stability and achieve a consistent result. The saw has adjustable rail slots on the bottom, so you can make it fit tightly with the track. This keeps the saw stable and ensures accurate cuts. It also has a kickback feature that helps prevent the saw from moving backwards unexpectedly, making it safer to use, giving you more control while cutting. Let me show you what happens if you don't use the track or the kickback feature with it. As for the blade, the Makita comes with a high quality 165mm carbide tipped blade that makes really good cuts. I was super surprised. Don't get me wrong, there are better ones out there, but I haven't seen the need to replace it.
The track is pretty awesome. This one came with a 140 track already. It has those rubber feet underneath, which make it really sturdy. Once it's on there, it's not slipping around anymore, which is awesome. Really high quality aluminum, it's lightweight, quite sturdy. I dropped a couple of them already. Every now and then they get dinged up, but the functionality of it is really there, and it is super accurate. And there's one way how you can even make it better. If you just seal this hole, you improve the dust extraction immensely. Am I actually in the picture?
Well, barely. Anyway, the first thing we do is we're gonna cut a strip of this tape about the width of the hole that we wanna cover. But we don't just stick it on there like this, because there's a sticky surface behind it, and that could cause dust to be caught and actually block the dust collection. So what we do is we get a bigger piece of tape, we stick on the tape we just cut underneath to create a smooth surface, and then cover the hole with it. This will improve the dust collection immensely. It's not super pretty, but it works, DIY style.
Oh, you're still here. Sorry guys, I gotta move on to this project. In the meanwhile, watch this video next. As usual, I appreciate you, and I see you next time. I need to plug it in. Oh, okay.